Hey guys, welcome back. Today it's going to be puppets. I'm going to be counting how many puppets I have, and I will be rating my puppets from 1 to 10. So first of all, we're going to start counting. So, number 1. I'm not going to count dimples in this, so anyways. Number 2. Number 3. Number 4. 5. 6. Should I count this as a puppet? Yeah. 7. 8. 8 and 9. 10. Got number 10 here. Number 11. 11. No. Number 12. Number 12. So we got 12 guys. So we've got 12 puppets here. So, yeah. So I've got 12 puppets, and I'm sorry guys, I got mixed up. We're not going to be rating my puppets, I'm just going to be counting how many fidgets I have. So I have 12 puppets. Now I'm going to put them back in. And I am so excited to show you some new dimples I got. I am so excited. So, I got 12 puppets. So they can go back. And then, I'm going to show you some new dimples. So I'm going to show you some dimples, all my dimples. So, first of all, we've got an actual dimple, which is number 1. I love it so much. Next. Okay. Number 2 and number 3, I'm going to show you each one. So, this is just a broken fidget spinner one, but I love it so much because it's so soft. And then this is an actual fidget spinner. It's just, see? So, that's 3. 4 straightenable, then we'll flip all my puppets in a way. Where's number 5? Where is? I know I have more dimples. No, that's number 4. I know I have more dimples than that. Let's take them to yeah, it's easier now. It's easier. Okay, now we're gonna go find some dimples. Yay! We actually found dimples. Yeah, Mum. Okay, guys. So, anyways, yeah. So now we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 5. Now we're gonna look for 6. Yay, the longest dimple. Number 6. It is so cool. Should I? Yeah, I'm going to do an ASMR video with some of these dimples. So, stay tuned for that. So, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 dimples. Please tell me that's 6 dimples. I think I do. Yeah, I definitely do have more than 6 dimples. Okay. I forgot to count a few puppets in, so I actually have 13 puppets. Oops. Oh my gosh. Is that all I really have? Dimples? I have 6 dimples. Okay, I will do like an ASMR thing, so stay tuned for that. So we have 6 dimples. 6 dimples, guys. So we're gonna like put them inside, because I will be doing the video after this video. So yeah, stay tuned. So now, okay, now all the stress balls. 1, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh my gosh. 9. 'Oh my god. I got loads of fidgets and it's just all around. Yeah. 10. Wait, 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Yeah, 10. 10 right now. And then there's another one of these somewhere. So that's not even it. So where's number 11? We got number 11 here. I do need to clean up this because they're some non-fiction. So yeah, I have 11 stress balls. So cool. By far my favorite. This smells good. Yeah, it smells good. So now I'm going to put all the stress balls back. Bye. 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 This one's actually soft, guys. So yeah. So now we've done puppets, dimples, and stress balls. Why did my wallet get it? A few coins in there. Pop tubes. So I have 3 pop tubes. I forgot to count my dimple digit, so I actually have 12 dimples. 12 dimples, guys, because I forgot to count some dimples here. So 12 dimples, 12 things to ASMR you guys with. So then we have 1 piece of peanut, and I actually have 14 puppets. 14 puppets. Nope, 15. 15 puppets. And then, okay, these like little like spinny fidget spinner footballs. So I have more than 2, just saying. But they're so cool. Like fidget spinners.
Right, Laura, jump in the shower then, because we won't have time to do anything.
My mum is calling me. Okay, guys, I'm just gonna carry on with the video.
No, you're not.
Guys. Okay, so yeah, now so I have 2 of these, but I'm getting, well, I've got more. But there you go, see, I've got another one. I'm wearing that today. So anyways, yeah, so I got 1 more to go to find. I swear I had one over there. Yeah, I do have one over there. Can't find it. I have 4 pop tubes. I have 4 pop tubes. I do have a yellow one of these, but they are all the same, so it doesn't really matter. But I'd have 4 of these, even though there's 3 here. I do have 1 more. But yeah, I like these. So I'm not going to do any more today, guys, because I got another video to film in a minute. So yeah, I'm not going to do any more. But I really hope you enjoyed. And if you did, hit the like button, punch the subscribe button, and turn on some post notifications. And I will also, in the next video, be announcing what my fish's name is. Then whoever guessed it correctly will win. So yeah, bye guys. But whoa. On the next video until somebody comments on my video one name, and then I will tell them if they're correct.